Welcome to my honest review of SendBlaster. If you're in need of an email marketing tool, you've probably come across SendBlaster. But is it really as effective as it claims to be? Let's dive in and break it down. First, SendBlaster is designed to help businesses create and send mass email campaigns. It offers a lot of useful features, but not without its challenges. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is always a good sign for an email marketing tool. However, some users might find it takes a little time to get used to the layout. Setting up an account and starting your first campaign is pretty straightforward. The platform offers both a free trial and paid options depending on your business needs. One thing I like about SendBlaster is its extensive templates for email designs, which can save you a lot of time if you're not a design expert. But if you're someone who prefers to work with more advanced customization, you might feel limited by the templates available. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. When it comes to deliverability, SendBlaster performs fairly well, but like many email marketing services, your results can vary based on how clean your email list is. This is a feature that's crucial for the success of your campaigns, and unfortunately, SendBlaster doesn't offer advanced list cleaning tools. You'll need to keep an eye on your list manually to ensure your emails reach the inbox instead of the spam folder. One area where SendBlaster shines is in automation. It allows you to set up automated workflows for different segments of your audience, which can save a lot of time and effort in the long run. However, the automation tools could use a bit more refinement. Some users have reported glitches when scheduling emails or setting up triggers. Pricing for SendBlaster is another factor to consider. The platform offers a one-time fee option, which could be a huge draw for businesses looking to avoid monthly subscription fees. But it's important to note that you'll still have to pay for additional features, like extra email credits, and the cost can add up if you're running large-scale campaigns. Overall, SendBlaster is a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an affordable and simple solution to email marketing. However, if you're looking for a more feature-packed platform with superior automation and list management tools, you might want to look into other services. If you're considering using SendBlaster, I'd recommend giving it a try with the free trial first to see if it meets your needs. There are definitely pros and cons to this tool, and it's not for everyone, but it might be a good fit if you're on a tight budget. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It helps a lot, and I'll be back with more reviews like this one soon.